Welcome back to Finance and Money, the channel dedicated to helping you build a brighter financial future. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to achieve their financial goals: the importance of your credit score. If you're in the age group of 20 to 35, especially if you're an immigrant, understanding this can make a huge difference in your financial journey. So, stay tuned. Your credit score is like a financial report card, and it matters more than you might think. It's a 3-digit number that reflects your creditworthiness, and it can impact your life in several ways. First, your credit score plays a significant role in getting approved for loans and credit cards. If you plan to buy a car, a home, or even rent an apartment, a good credit score opens doors to better interest rates and more favorable terms. For immigrants building a financial foundation, this can be especially important. Second, it affects your ability to start a business or invest in opportunities. A solid credit score can make it easier to secure financing for your entrepreneurial dreams. Moreover, your credit score can influence your job prospects. Some employers check credit reports as part of the hiring process, especially for positions involving financial responsibility. So, a good score can enhance your career prospects. If you're finding this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Finance and Money. We're here to empower you on your financial journey, and subscribing ensures you never miss out on our tips and insights. Now, back to why your credit score matters. Your credit score also impacts your insurance premiums. A higher score can lead to lower rates on auto, home, and even life insurance. This can save you a significant amount of money over time. Furthermore, maintaining a good credit score demonstrates financial responsibility, which can be important for immigrants looking to establish themselves in a new country. It showcases your ability to manage finances, which can be reassuring to lenders and landlords. So, there you have it. The importance of your credit score. It's not just a number, it's a key that unlocks financial opportunities and peace of mind. If you have any questions or want more insights on this topic or any other financial matters, leave them in the comments below. And remember, Finance and Money is here to guide you toward a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching.